Welcome back to Midcap Radar. The beauty arm of retail major Shoppers Stop has launched Giorgio Armani in India, starting with fragrances and makeup. The company is also set to launch Prada and Valentino's makeup lines in India. My colleague Shilpa Ranipeta caught up with Biju Kassim, the CEO of the beauty business at Shoppers Stop, to discuss the launch of these luxury brands and the company's foray into Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets. Listen in.
Armani has got a beautiful portfolio of lines from men's and women's products. Makeup is going to be launched because the process is on. We are in the process of registration, which means that within the maximum about 2 months we should have it on the shelves. And the boutiques should be ready in about 4 months. Why I say 4 months? It's just that we are just finalizing the formalities. And obviously the design and things are being worked around. So normally it takes 90 days to 120 days to have the boutique well done.
I want to talk about SS Beauty overall. You know, last quarter it was the growth driver for Shoppers Stop. If you could sort of run us through how the performance has been so far. Are we expecting it to outpace Shoppers Stop growth again? Sort of can quantify the kind of growth that we've seen for the beauty business?
Beauty within Shoppers Stop did fairly well. This is a journey that we have seen in the last 2 years. Last year also we had very strong growths. This quarter as well we see positive and strong growths. Overall there was a bit of a softness for the category. This was largely due to factors that were not really in our control, whether it is a bit of a heat wave that was there due to the elections and so on and so forth. But we see that the numbers are coming back very, very strongly. Right. Beauty has been growing ahead of the company, and we see the similar trend continuing at this point.
Right. And what about store expansion for this fiscal? How many are we looking at? Store-in-store also, and exclusive SS Beauty stores as well?
So for Shoppers Stop, we had one of the maximum number of openings last year. This is going to continue this year. So which is the box, which is actually the department store, and we are also venturing into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, because this is where consumers are really eager to indulge.
So we did NARS, now we're doing Giorgio Armani. What other luxury global brands can we expect you to bring going forward?
So at this point, I could only talk about what we have signed. Okay. So Giorgio Armani makeup is going to come in, and we will soon have a Prada makeup, which will also be followed up with Valentino makeup. Okay. So these are 2 large projects that are in the pipeline, which should come to the market in the next 4 months to 5 months. So these are 2 large exciting projects that we are working on at this point in time.
Well, a very